welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how can you write a method inside a class. In my previous video, I already described about how to create a class and about methods and about also about objects. In this video, I am going to show you how can you create a method inside a class. So let's start. So for creating a method, you need to write def. Definition from def, that is def. So I want to display, so I'm writing a display. Okay, def display, and I will write here self. Just I will write here self. Okay, that's it. Now see, I will print here, so I am copying this line. In the method only I will print, so that I don't have to print here also for another name, for here also for another name. I can print in a separate way, so it will print for everyone. Okay, so I will just write here instead of the names I will just write here self dot roll. Okay, because I wrote here self, that's why self, and here also self dot cgpa. That's it. And I will cut this and I will write here Rohit dot display. Rohit dot display. Okay, Rohit dot display. Rohit dot display. Okay, and here also I have to change as coding dot display. Coding dot display. See, I don't have to write print in every name. I have already created print here, so I don't have to write print everywhere. So here I will write tonmoy.display. Simple. You have to just understand the concept. That's it. Now let's print. See, it's perfect. Roll is 101. See, it's printing perfectly. Okay. Now suppose, see, we are giving Rohit's roll, Rohit's CGPA, right? But if you do one thing, you can create a method here, and then you don't have to give like this. If you create a method here, see, if I create a method here, def, again I am creating a method, def set value, save underscore value. Okay, now you just write here self comma roll comma CGPA. That's it. Okay, that's it. And here you have to write self dot roll equals to roll. You have already created upward, see, and self dot CGPA equals to CGPA. That's it. Okay, I have created another method, and here I have assigned the role self dot equals to role, and here also self dot CGPA equals to. Okay, now I don't need this. Now what can I do? Rohit dot set value. Rohit dot set value, and here I can write, here what can I write? I am giving 101 comma, now I have to write the CGPA. Suppose 9.2 is the CGPA. Okay, same for everyone. I don't need these 2 lines. Let me do this 102 and let me do this 9.6. Again, I don't need these 2 lines. Let me give this as 103 and let me give this as 9.1. Now again, let's print. Oh, I think I made a mistake. Let me see. Oh, yeah, I made a mistake here. I have to write coding set value is this and Tanmoy set value is this. Now it's perfect. Now let's print. See, it's perfect. So we created 2 methods. So our code is also small. We created the methods. See, we don't have to assign here Rohit's role is this, Rohit role, Rohit CGPA. We created a method and here we are writing it. That's it. No need of printing everywhere. Rohit's role is that, Rohit CGPA is that, coding CGPA is that, Tanmoy CGPA is that. So see, method is so helpful. Method is so helpful. It saves our time also. Suppose you want to add another thing. Suppose after CGPA you want to add ID number. You can also add you have to write comma ID and then here you leave another values and that will be printed also. So by this we end this video. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will obviously answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.